Right, example 6 has us plugging values into our calculator, and we just need to make sure we know how to do this here. So if we want to use a calculator to get secant of 5 degrees, 40 minutes, and 12 seconds, we're going to solve this by first getting it into decimal form. So we'll remember that there are 60 minutes in a degree, so 40 over 60, and there are 3,600 seconds in a degree, so we'll take 12 over 3,600. Divide those, you'll get decimals, add them all up, and you get 5.67. To find the secant, remember that we're going to do the flip cosine of this, and then hit x to the negative 1. We could also do 1 divided by the cosine of 5.67. Now, to make sure you're going to get this right, you have to be in degrees. Alright, so switch over from radians if you're not in degrees. Alright, so see if you can do this for 51A and B. Take a minute, and when you're ready, unpause, and I'll put the answer up. Alright, so on 51A, we're going to have cosine of 4, we've got to convert this first, plus 50 over 60, plus 15 over 3,600. And so we'll plug that into our calculators real quick. Let's see what we get. 4 plus 50 over 60 plus 15 over 3,600. I got 204, which doesn't seem right, does it? Let's try that one more time. 4 plus 50 over 60 plus 15 over 3,600. 4.83. 75 degrees. And so I'm going to make sure I'm in degree mode. I was in radians. Now I'm in degree mode. And so I'm going to do the cosine of 4.8375, and I get 0.996. That's my answer. Go ahead and do secant as well. First thing to do is convert it, which we've already done. So we've got the secant of 4.8375. Remember that secant is 1 over the cosine of 4.8375, which we already know is 1 over, we've got that already, 0.996. So it should still be on your calculator. Hit the x minus 1 button. Remember, it's this one. And if you do that right, you get 1.004.